Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the language in your Netflix app. So first of all, open up Netflix. Now after you open up Netflix, click on your profile picture at the bottom right here. Now once you're here, click on the three dots at the top right corner right here. And in here, click on manage profiles and then select the profile that you want to edit. I'll go for this one, let's say. And in here, scroll down and click on display language. And in here, you can choose the language that you want. I'm going for, let's say, Espanol. Go back and they will ask you to restart the app for changes to be made. And that is how you can change the language in your Netflix app. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the language on Netflix. So first of all, open up Netflix. Now once you're in Netflix, hover your mouse over this button at the top right corner right here, and in here click on manage profiles. Now in here select the profile that you want to change the language of. I will go for, let's say, the second one, click on it, and in the language section right here select the language that you want to change to. Just select it, and after that you will have to restart and your language will be changed. So that is how you can change the language in Netflix.